In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log out from all devices in Unacademy. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this method either on your computer through the Unacademy website at unacademy.com or on your phone. First, just open up the app or go to the website like I said and log into your account as usual. Now, if you click your icon and go into the settings menu, you will notice that if you scroll from the top all the way down in the settings menu, you will have no option to sign out of all connected devices or everything connected to your account. So, what you have to do instead in order to be logged out of everything connected to your account is to change your email, or alternatively, the simplest method is just to change your phone number. Just add a secondary phone number and that will sign out of all devices, and afterwards you can just change your phone back to the original one. Since there is no option to directly log out of all connected devices to this account, we can just change our personal information like our emails or our phone numbers, and the Unacademy website will automatically log itself out of all devices, and then we can log back in once we set it back to the usual phone number or email. I hope I was able to help you on how to log out from all devices in Unacademy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.